Hello, let me share with you here right now some very important and useful information about organic gardening in a dry land under very difficult conditions like rare rains, scorching sun with very high temperature, like actually 30 to 35 degrees Celsius or more. And I'm sure that many of you know already that most of the dry lands are drought threatened, and these are enormous to deal with as farmers or gardeners. And we must mention the fact also that when you want to go organic, it becomes more difficult when you choose to not use the chemical fertilizers and the pesticides and so on. It becomes more difficult for you to be successful. So planting in a dry land, these are actually the plants to go for you to be able to harvest with satisfaction. You can go for cones. You can go for tropical plants as well. Tropical plants like cassava, hibiscus, la roselle. You can also see the jalapeno chilies, pumpkin also. And you can see in the images that even sweet potatoes and amaranth as well. These are the ones that we did the experiment with, and we've succeeded to plant them with satisfactory results. But the list goes on. You can do some other researches, and also if you know something about that, you can share with us many others or your own experience about the subject. For example, concerning the cones, as you can see them here in the images looking so beautiful. These plants are amazing. They don't ask you for waters. Only in the beginning, the first weeks, you can use some water, but after that, you don't need some. And you can see that we are using the net shade house. It helps us a lot in the dry land and in very high temperature zones. Instead of using the tunnel covered with plastic, it's better to use the net shade house because it will attenuate the effect of the sun, and you can have your plant protected. The same goes with cassava, and almost the same thing for all the plants that we've mentioned here. We would like you to share some personal experience if you have some with us in the comment below, and don't hesitate to ask us any questions. As you can see by yourself, since we've taken the resolution of putting the appropriate plant in the arid or semi-arid regions where we are, we found some peace. We don't worry very much about the waters. We don't worry very much about the temperatures or having our crops burnt up because of the high temperature. We found a lot of calmness and a lot of peace. So see you in our next video, and please don't forget to like and to subscribe and to comment below. Thank you.